You see, all who are show off on people with material things, just remember this. Flesh is nothing at the last moment. A congorum food that. So you see, when you show off on other people with material things, congorum over there so watch you and I say, but watch how them a show off here. And later, I'm a breakfast, I'm a lunch, I'm a dinner that you know. And supper too. So here we go on now. Full jar your wealth, man. Full jar your wealth to the fullest. Full jar all your material things them where you have. But do not show off with it. Because Congo rum over there so look and I laugh, you know. And I say, watch my food and show off. My future dinner. My future breakfast. My future lunch. And my future supper. Hear that? So just be still, man. And full jar your wealth. And this is a global message. See it? Globally. Alright, let's say now. Wise in earth. Me! Shocking Morris said that.